we are starting our first official park day here at Animal Kingdom today. Woohoo! Woohoo! Also, it's Mommy's birthday! Yay! Happy birthday, Brittany! If you guys are new to our channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you ring that notification bell. That way you're notified when our family adventures go live. We're gonna meet up with a new family today, so we're excited for that. So Connor is begging. Connor, what are you begging for?
Everest. A little more excitement?
Yeah, a little bit more excitement. Jeez. So Connor's begging for Everest, so we're not gonna go do Pandora first. We are gonna go and do Everest first. So are you guys ready to ride Expedition Everest with us?
Woohoo!
What do you guys think we're gonna get? Are we gonna get front row, middle row, or back row? Let us know. Comment below. What?
Which the back row is the worst.
So we'll see you guys on Everest. Here we are, we made it on Everest, and we're in the front! Connor, where are we? That beautiful sunrise. Oh, look at the track. What happened? Connor, what happened to the track? Where are we going, Connor? Oh no, Connor! Here we go! Woo! How was that, dude? There's a game that we play. It's called We Ride Everest Until We Get a Headache. Right, Connor?
Yep.
How many times do you think we're going to ride Everest today? Let us know in the comments. Mommy's 32 today?
No, we're not riding 32.
32 times. 32 times today. But yeah, comment below and let us know. Hey, Megan! Round three. All right, here we go, round three. Mommy already tapped out. You ready for this, dude? Round three, me and you? You ready for this, dude? Here we go. You broke the track. What are we gonna do? Here we go. Woo! Woo! 4?
Yeah.
Oh no, I can't hand over 4 rounds. All right, so I don't know how many times you guys guessed that we were gonna ride Everest, but we only made it to 4. Brittany, how many did you make it to?
I only made it to 2.
Yeah, I tapped out after 4. I got to get some real breakfast. Something pretty cool, the little bar that's right next to Everest, they serve breakfast now. I didn't know that. So, pretty cool.
So we just finished up breakfast at the Trek Snacks over by Everest. And now we are making our way over to Kilimanjaro Safaris. So let's go get wild.
Just around the riverbed, please welcome Pocahontas.
All right, so we were able to meet up with the friends that we were talking about. This is Heartland Family Adventures. Say hi, guys. So we're gonna hang out with them for a little while and walk around the park.
And we're getting ready to ride the safari. So you guys ready to go ride it?
Wait, let's go.
Once believed to be mythological, being the cross between a donkey, a zebra, and a giraffe. They weren't discovered until 1901. No one to find them, but ta-da, we found them. If you see this bondo here to the right that has the black neck, that's our male. The male bondo's coat does darken with age. The female's coat will stay the same throughout their entire life. Sort of, half did it. Black rhinos are one of the smaller rhino species. They're only 3,000 pounds. Oh, just kidding. He rolled around in the bottom half of the mud. Okay. He's so cute. I love him. Unfortunately, black rhinos are being poached for their horn. They're not walking along the bottom of the river to get around, and if you smell that, it's the hippo. They're on their territory with their poop. Kind of like your dog if you have a dog. If you don't, well, that's what dogs do. It's hippo down here on the left, walking down the bottom of the river. See its legs moving. The word hippopotamus does mean river horse, and they are also related to the whale. Super cool. If you see any of them with their mouth open, that's how they're going to regulate their body temperatures. It's normally does get very hot here in Africa. They are termite mounds, yes. They have the largest stripes of any zebra. There they go. Said, they're fine.
No, I'm in charge.
To your left, you'll find the greater flamingo, the largest pink flamingo in all of Africa. Interesting things. They are 5,000 pounds, almost double the size of the black rhino that we saw back in the forest. He was 3,000 pounds. Thereafter, within the short amount of time, they'll have to rest and try again a little bit later. They are daytime predators. They have black stripes where their eyes will help out later from a sunglasses and deflect the sun. They sleep for 20 hours a day. They're only active for a couple hours throughout the day, which does mean collectively throughout their entire lifetime, they're only awake for 3 years. That is what their 11 to 12-year lifespan, which is the same as a cheetah. Regular house cats are awake for about 9 years of their life. Here today in 2021.
So we just got off the safari, and the animal's really active today. I mean, what time is it around?
It is 10:30.
And they were pretty active for a morning ride, so that was pretty cool. I like getting the hippos walking underneath the water. So
The giraffes were my favorite part.
Yeah.
Running, oh my gosh, it was awesome.
those are pretty cool too. And of course the lions were sleeping. So.
As always.
But
Lazy
maybe we'll
cats.
catch the safari later and we'll try to get the lions out roaring. We're gonna go try and ride Everest again. Emma from Heartland Family Adventures has never been on, so that's gonna be cool. So we'll see you guys on Everest. All right, we made it on Everest, round 5. You guys ready back there?
Emma's first time.
Yep, it's Emma's first time. Here we go. Just got off of Everest for the 5th time today, and yeah, those ride times just keep going up and up and up. So we're already at 5. I don't think we're gonna make it to 32, but maybe we'll make it to 11, whatever it is.
Gosh.
Maybe, we'll see. So we're gonna go eat at
The Thesaurus.
So we'll see you guys over there.
We got their St. Patrick's Day goodies, which is a cupcake. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this because supposedly there's a surprise on the inside.
Is it like at the end of the rainbow, there's like a surprise?
Oh, look at that! Ooh, it kind of stuck. Green cream in the middle. Pretty
Taste
cool.
it. See, what does it taste like? Is it mint? Because if it's mint, I'm not eating it.
What? It's mint. My cupcake.
I hate mint stuff. It's sweet. It does not mix well. I don't know
It's not
why.
super minty though.
But is it good?
It's really good.
So if you like chocolate mint, do you recommend it?
I do recommend it.
I haven't tried. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it. Connor and Emma riding together. Say hi, guys.
Hello!
And they're controlling if we go up and down. So do you guys think we're gonna go up or down? I'm scared. The kids are controlling the ride.
You guys ready over here? All right, good luck. We will begin in 3, 2, and 1. Well, let's pump it up. All right, keep it steady. We're holding your feet steady and straight at the center. All right, we got the winner, player 9. Congratulations,
Oh,
good
you
try,
were
everybody.
close,
Good try.
Connor.
And so it was perfect.
There you go. Oh, that was close. That was close. You got 2 more. Oh, that was close. Come on. Get that extra large. No. All the way up. After some frustrating carnival games, we finally got Connor a prize. Woo-hoo! Emma got a prize too.
And my dinosaur's name is Raptor.
And what's your dinosaur name?
Star.
Cool.
Time travelers, place all loose items in the pouch in front of you, fasten your seatbelt, and remain seated.
They made it on dinosaur. You guys ready? Here we go.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting. Thesaurus.
Not our dino.
Ramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
So this is really cool. We're walking up to the front of Animal Kingdom. And they have a sand sculpture from Raya and the Last Dragon. Look how cool that is. Well, that's going to wrap up our day here at Animal Kingdom. I hope you guys had fun with us today. And we also made some really nice friends with Heartland Family Adventures. We're going to leave a link to their YouTube channel in the description below, as well as their Instagram too. So definitely go follow them on YouTube and on Instagram. We had fun with you guys today. I hope you guys had fun with us. And hopefully we'll be able to get to do it again here in the near future. So I think we're going to go walk around the park for a little bit more. And we'll check back with you guys in a little bit.
So farm items all together? Does that sound right? Oh, wait, were you seeing chocolate?
Yeah, look at these ducks. These ducks must eat so good here, eating all the popcorn. Here we are, Expedition Everest. 6th time today. You ready for this, dude? Mommy, 6 times. What are we thinking? All right, well, that was our 6th time. We're back in line again for our 7th. Animal Kingdom, if you want to endorse us for this ride, that'd be awesome, because we ride it all the time. Brittany, how many times did we ride Everest today? 7? That was our 7th time, right? And she is just now finding the Spirit jersey.
Oh my god!
Look at it! It's so fluffy!
And it's fuzzy. It's so fuzzy.
All right, here we are in Everest. 7th time today. 7 times, and we're in the front. You all right back there, Mommy?
Yes. Just click myself in one more time.
You ready for this, Conor?